A city change, Banbagit, city change, Banbagit, it's too dark in the city. Change, Banbagit, city change, Banbagit, it's too dark in the city. Aha. Change, Banbagit, city change, Banbagit, it's too dark in the city. Change, Banbagit, city change, it's too dark in the city. Oh, change, Banbagit, city change, Banbagit, it's too dark in the city. Change, Banbagit, city change, Banbagit, it's too dark in the city. Yeah, boy. Oh, oh, the baby. Change, Banbagit, city change, Banbagit, it's too dark in the city. Change, Banbagit, change, Banbagit, it's too dark in the city. Yeah. Oh, rock. Change, Banbagit, change, Banbagit, it's too dark in the city. Change, Banbagit, change, Banbagit, it's too dark in the city. Oh, change, Banbagit, city change, Banbagit, it's too dark in the city. Change, Banbagit, city change, it's too dark in the city. Yeah. Oh, change, Banbagit, city change, Banbagit, it's too dark in the city. Change, Banbagit, city change, Banbagit, it's too dark in the city. Yeah. Change, Banbagit, city change, Banbagit, it's too dark in the city. Alrighty then. Radios. Aha. Cool use. Right. Injalo. Ichigi kumaisinje. Alright, in that. Alright, in that day. Give me a call in the morning. Ta. To change, Banbagit, to change, Banbagit, it's too dark in the city. Yeah.
Okuyimkhulu isihlahla lesi owathi angikho kusona wathi angikho kusona nganoma ikhubalo noma yini kodwa sengiyikhili lento le umuthi sengikhili umuthi kusona angisawumisini.
Interesting, mate. You see, when we engage with you, whether it's a private session or open in Tlantla, whenever I'm doing consultations, whenever, and we engage, get back. Athathi lento esitshela yona bese uhamba uye lapha kumkhize and you hope ukuthi umkhize is going to do what I was saying. Ngeke kwenzeke lokho. Asikhulumi nabantu abafanayo. That's the biggest mistake me and people make. Ufika ufuna ukuthatha into lapha kungwebehla kodwa ufuna lapha kumthembu. Wemthembu, ungwebehla uthe. And then you think ukuthi you're being clever. What you're doing there, my friend, is udelela abantu bakini bakise lapha wathola lento leona you think uthi impendulo nani, and then you go uze ngokuhlakanipha kwakho wala kulomhlaba hambe uphaphe wenze lokho okwenzayo kanti lenja leyo ungwebedla lapha isebenza ngendoda emnyama uze ngalathi nasihamba ngendlela emhlophe indlela yomsamo ayihambelani lezi zinto. le moya izwana phaphe wenza ulalela omunye ekhuluma hayi kwathiwa kuloya akathathe isiqunga kusho ukuthi isiqunga zona usithathe kanti wena usidinga emzimbeni wakho abakini you don't know instead abakini wena badinga ukuthi uhlanjulule ukuphapha mina ngiyohlezi I'll call you out. I don't have time for that crap. You need to get to a point, Buffett, where you understand who you are. Ne? And khuliswane, no one owes you information. Akekho kukweleta impendulo. Akekho. Impendulo zakho zilele emsamo wakho zonke. And that statement alone should tell you something. Lokho kumele kukutshele ukuthi umtsinsi wokuyimilela uyise nonyoko. Let's put it in English. When you were conceived with the seed of your father and the womb of your mom. That created life. It brought a spirit or the energy or an entity, which is you. It brought upon life within your mother's womb, which had to be fed, which had to be nurtured in order for this spirit or this life to become a being, a living being, which is you, which will eventually be born and live in the living. Yayizo lo ndaba siyibuyise kuSizulu. Umtsinsi wokuyimilela uyise nonyoko. Imbewu kayise, isibeletho sikanyoko. Esakha ubuze bakho. Esakhe ubuze bakho. Saletha lo moya ophila kuleli dokodo lomzimba wakho. Okunguwe. So, in essence, amanye amazwi udaba lakho lulele kwimbewu kayise, kwisende likayise, nesibeletho sikanyoko. Okusho ukuthi ukujula komsamo wakho kuyilaba bantu. Ngeke uzube mdala kunonyoko, ngeke uzube mdala kunoyise. Kwimbewu. It is what it is. Then we can be technical. Hayi lengane izaleke kungaganenwe. Now we are talking about technicality. Sesingakhuluma ke manje sesibuka ke lento ekuthiwa izimo. Izimo ke manje. Okay. Lengane izaleke ngaphandle kwesibaya. Ukusho ukuthi isiZulu sithi ayikho inkunzi eyabuya nethole. It's not me, isiZulu, parts of speech, language. It's language, my friend. It's not me. I wish it was me. But isisho leso, izisho nezaga, parts of speech. These things are there for a reason. Okutshelayo ukuthi kahle kahle indoda umuntu wesilisa akabuyi nengane. Ingane ihlala lapha kwisibeletho sikanyoko. See? Then wena uma yongane uyifuna ngempela ukuthi kube wakho. You know the story. You know what you need to do. Being born in wedlock and being born out of wedlock. Lokho mfowethu kukodwa usitshela yonke into ngawe. Yonke into ngawe mkhulu. Okay. Ukuzaleka emshadweni nokuzaleka ngaphandle komshado kusitshela konke ngawe. Sibeke ngesiZulu. siyibuyise kwesilungu, because some people don't understand the native language of isiZulu. Right? So being born out of wedlock literally tells us how far you can go in specific topics, in specific rituals, and in specific conversations, in a specific altar. Because you need to be accepted and introduced to a specific altar on the basis of ulterior motives, A, or B, on the basis of being accepted because you were neglected and being given a spiritual home as you come from the womb of our daughter. Ezinye izinto azikho mnandi mayikhulunywa, kodwa-ke it is what it is. Versus a child born in wedlock. Obviously, a child born in wedlock, there are multiple things that are done there. Multiple things that are done, multiple things that were done to the parents. Traditional, thina sibamnyama, we sibantu abampisholo. Okusho ukuthi sinamasiko, sinemkhuba yemndeni, sinezinto ekumele sizenze. Sinezinto ekumele sizenze njengabantu abampisholo. Okulusiko zegodi. I have to make this call. Izofona manje. We have to do these things, not because kunjani ilento ekuthiwa yini usiko. Usiko. Right? We can't run away from who we are. We can't change who we are because there are those that have lived before us who have walked the journey that we are walking. Ake sibuyise kwisiZulu. Kunabantu abawumnombo wakho abahambe le ndlela wena oyihambayo. IsiZulu sithi indlela ibuzwa kwabaphambili. Okusho ukuthi lokho leso sisho sisodwa siyakutshela ukuthi ubuza lapha ekhaya kini kwabantu abahambe le ndlela wena oyihambayo. Kini. Bantu bakini. Think about it. Manenza umsebenzi lapha ya. Nenza ini. Why is it ukuthi kuba khona izithebe engafani? Lesi sithebe sabafana abala ekhaya. Lezi nja lezi engaganiwe lezi nja lezi. Yabo le nja lengaganile ihambe yodla nabo abafana. Hambe yodla nayo abafana. Damn it man. Fucking shit. Isithebe sabanumzana. Isithebe samakhosikazi. Lesa sithebe samakhosikazi. Sinanelwa ubani? Ask these questions. Ngabuza mina ngenwa kini mina. Hamba ubuza kini. Why? See? Lesa sithebe sobani. Lesa, meaning we understand ukuthi there are divisions in the altar. We understand ukuthi there are divisions in the altar. Goba. It's a like for like thing. Bese ngiba nombuzo okay mina. If we understand ukuthi there are divisions in the altar, uma sikuqonda lokho ukuthi kunezigaba okanye nezahluko ezingefani ngaphakathi kulomsamo wethu, yindaba sifuna ukufana. Yindaba pho ulangazelela into yamfwenu. Yindaba pho ulangazelela into yadadewenu. Yini indaba pho ulangazelela izinto zengane yakho. Yini indaba pho ulangazelela into yakamakhelwane singcola indini. Indaba. Aha. Now we're talking things ezingekho mnandi but ezishaya khona. Awukwazi ukulangazelela into ongayazi. Ulangazelele into yakamakhelwane. Udakwe yini msunu kanyoko? Abanandaba nawe laba bantu. They don't care about you. Awuyona ingane yabo. No one gives a fuck. No one cares. Asinandaba. Abantu abanendaba abakini. Ayikho inja yakomunye umuzi eyosuka la isuka khona ize emsamo wakho ebesifuna ukuzolawula emsamo wakho. Ngeke lokho. Ngeke kwenzeke lokho. Know your role. You'll always hear me saying one thing. I'll always say, buza emsamo. I know there are people that are going to get angry about that. Guess what? Anginandaba. I don't give a fuck. Angena mina wagini. Angena mina wagini. So why the fuck will I care? I don't care. I'm telling you the truth. Buza emsamo wakho. Ask your own ancestors, your own lineage. They owe you the answers, not me. I'm from a different household. And the household I come from, I rule. I dictate. See what I mean? Know your story, bafo. Know your role. Ungalangazeleli into ongayazi. Papa. Mona. Ukhala. That's why so many people baflathela amadlozi abo. Ngoba you're going out there, you want what is not yours. Ukhalela into ongayazi. You look at that person and you feel ukuthi that person or that person's intellectuality is drawing your attention, and you feel ukuthi I deserve that. And you start to have the feels about someone else's work, and you start to have the feels about someone else's abilities and capabilities. That is wrong, my friend. What you are saying to abantu bagini, you are saying ukuthi you are not impressed with what they give you. You feel ukuthi you deserve a bit more than what you have. Sibeke ngesiZulu. Ngamanye amazwi ulangazelela into yabanye abantu yomunye umuntu. Uthi kubantu bakini lento abakunike yona akuyona into oyijabulelayo, oyithokozelayo, akuyona into oyimukelayo. Wena ulangazelela lokha nobuhlakani baloya muntu. Ngebhadi ngeke uzubuthatha ukuhlakanipha komuntu. Ngebhadi ngeke uzuba uyena lo muntu. Awuyihambanga indlela ayihambile. Angithi sesaphila kumhlaba la kufundwa khona. Awufundanga ezikoleni afunde kusona. Awuyihambanga indlela yakhe. Ubude bendlela baloyo muntu awubazi. Umsuka wendlela yakhe lo muntu awuyazi. Asingaze sizifike kumsamo wakho naye ngoba uzodideka kakhulu naqala. Ngoba uzothi uyephapha. Kanti lo muntu uphuma not just ngiyakubona ukuthi uphuma ebukhosini nani. Vele umfokazana ngeke azawazi ubukhosi. That is a fact. Abafokazana vele into enobukhosi abazi fuck all. That is a fact. So abafokazane for a reason. Because if we want to engage and in that conversation, baningi abazovela izinqo. So many people, Hoya Makosi, Tina, we are royal healers. Okay, royal healers. Anesichazeleni ithuna lenkosi. Mina ngizonibambisa. Mina, I will fucking expose the lies. Ngizonibambisa, ngizoniveza izinqo mina. I'm that guy. Angithi you're royal healers, you can tap into entities and energies wherever you claim to be. Explain one thing to us. A simple thing. Uhlanga lomhlabathi. Explain uhlanga lomhlabathi kuze kuthiwa uhlanga lomhlabathi ngobani? Angithi nje nina namakhosi. Angithi nje nina royal ancestors. Explain to the masses uhlanga lomhlabathi. Kuze kuthiwa inkosi etshalwa, why? Ngqi. Upapa. Lying to people. Lying, that's the only fucking thing. Fucking lying to abantu. Qamba amanga. Sichazele ngogasa. Sichazele sifuna ukwazi. Sichazele ngemkhonto yamashinga. How are you? You've got royal bloodline, royal ancestors, Hoya Makosi, Tina nje, na. 30 years mina lapha. Sichazele uhlanga lomhlabathi. What the fuck is that? Ngqi? Mina ngizokubambisa. I will fucking expose you so badly it's not even funny. Because this is not a joke. This is not a game. This is not chess here. This is not even drafted. This is not even whatever. This is people's lives. Impilo zabantu lezi. People are actually going through the most. Abantu bafethu, they are going through the most. They are going through the most, especially spiritually. Because abantu abaningi are stemming from awicabange lento. In 1949 la eMzansi singaze sikude. Because if we go far, I'm going to start talking about ezinye izinto. It's going to confuse so many people. Let's not go far. Let's imagine la eMzansi, our own history. This shit is written. It's fucking there. Go read it. It's written. It's there. In 1949, there was a Witchcraft Act. ANC, la eMzansi. Go and read that shit. That's the reason why. Ogogo benu stepped away from doing rituals. That's the real reason why. Ogogo nomkhulu benu stepped away from doing rituals. Laba abaqhubeka ngokuyenza babeyenza emfihlakalweni. Beyenza ngoba beyenza kungabonakali kude nani. That's the real reason why amanye ama-rituals or other clans, when they do rituals, they do it makuphuma ilanga. Sisixhosa xalisasa ilanga. Because by the time liphumile ilanga sesiyenzile le ndaba. There's also another reason why masiya lapha swele sikaZulu. Think, wake up, vuka la emaqandeni. That's why some rituals zenziwa maselishona ilanga. Wake up, vuka la. Hamba ubuza kini man. How? Because they were living in a time where they were oppressed. Bebengavumelekile ukupractice isintu sabo. Bebengavumelekile ukwenza into hayi uhalalisela into ezobaxhumanisa nabantu abadala baleli buthongo kwelamathongo. Go there, it's written. Asikhulume ngalento le yemfaniswano. Abantu bayahlekisa. Umfaniswano. This thing is also written down. How thatha ibhayi lakho lapho? Thatha ibhayi. Ubuke la on the left hand corner or the right hand corner. Ubuke uthi something is written there. Go to Google ngoba niyakuthanda uGoogle. Niyawuthanda uGoogle. Yeah, Google. Hamba ufike bese usesha leyo nto leyo. You will realize ukuthi inkampani yomlungu leyo. Thathe lelo bhayi lakho lelo ulibuke la ekhoneni libhaliwe ukuthi who made it. It's written there. Inkampani yomlungu loyo. Umlungu phezulu la eMzansi, very big guy la eMzansi. Why? Or what was the purpose ukuthi bakhe imfaniswano indwangu ebukeke ngathi? Think. Vula ingqondo. It's written. It's there. Go there. Read it. Basho. The reason why they had to make cloths that looked like it's because benbulala ilwane. Benbulala lezi ilwane. So in their mind, when they were saving ilwane and creating replicas, that is the real reason why mawunesphiwo samampela abantu abadala bangempela awubaphuphi begqoka ibhayi mkhulu. Ubona begqoke leso sikhumba saleso silwane ngqo. Wake up. How? Wake up. Vukani manje emaqandeni. Ufuna ukutshela yonke into. Vukani emaqandeni. Wake up here. This thing is there. Go there, read it. It's written there. It's there. But because many people now think whatever they think, then they come with misconceptions and whatever the case may be. None. Reference is there. Tati bailako, my friend. Ulbuge, it's there. You need to ask abantu bakini. Yabona mina, Tsid, angiyeni wakini mina. Angisoze ngabe wakini. Abantu bakini mele bakutshele. So let me help you. Yabo? Man, I don't know how to answer you. If you want me to answer you in a nice way, if you want me to answer you ngokdelela, just like the question it comes across, I can also do that. I'm very rude. I'm one of the most rudest motherfuckers you'll ever know. But because we're not tapping into an energy in that way. That should tell you, the older the ancestor, the less clothing they're wearing. The younger the ancestor, that should tell you what you've just asked me. Did it? I think I've just answered you. That is also something that should tell you. Then we start tapping into izembatho. Again, when I started this conversation, I told you there are divisions for a reason. There are divisions for a reason. Hamba ubuza kophi ekhaya kini. Mina ngenwa kini. I'll never be your ancestor. I'll never, ever, 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 ever be associated. Yabo. See what I mean? You need to engage with them. Any person or any entity that comes to you has to introduce itself to you. Kumele bazazise ukuthi bawubani. They need to tell you why they are coming to you. They need to tell you who they are. They need to tell you. You see, you're also confirming what I'm talking about. Why? Because it's the introduction. There is an introduction that has to happen. Ukanjani, mina ngwakomunye umuzi, wena ngwakomunye umuzi. The next guy ngwakomunye umuzi. How they do it, ngeke kufane nokuthi nina kini benza kanjani. Ngeke kufane ukuthi thina senza kanjani. Ngeke kufane ukuthi labantu benza kanjani. That is the reason why you will always hear me saying, buza kuphi emsamo wakho. That is the reason why. Because those people have to tell you, my friend. Those are the people that have to engage in the conversation and in the education of their own child spiritually. If there's something that you need to know spiritually, it's your own guides that need to tell you that. If there's something that you need to understand, do or accomplish, it's your own ancestors that need to lead that way. Guess what? We'd say this, but as realize what we are saying this. Language again. Part of speech is zisho nezakha. Memeza bazu sabela. So let's put it in English. So we are in English. You call upon them, they shall respond. Guess what? When they call upon you, you should also respond. We say this all the time, but we don't realize what we are saying. We don't realize what we're saying. Why? Because we're living in a time where monkey see, monkey do. Just because that Goko was wearing whatever, Nama must go wear whatever, so that people will think, Uti Nami Fananai. What bullshit is that? What bullshit is that? What are you saying to your ancestors? What are you saying to your ancestors? Siphuma egodini engafani. Igodi esiphuma kuzona ayifani. Imndeni esiphuma kuzona, ekuphuma kuyona ayifani. We come from different families. Those families come from different household or homesteads. The only reason why we were grouped together, Nani, is because our land was taken away from us. Sacred lands, sacred places was forcefully removed from Abandamamnyama. Forcefully. That's the reason why things ended up being mixed up. In. That's why I'm always telling you, tap into umsamo wakho, ask them. Mele bakuphendula bakini. Mina ngiyena wakini. Angisoze ngabo wakini. Angifuni ukuba wakini. Ngingenaphi? It's none of my business. You need to ask your ancestors. Hayi thina samakhosi thina ini kodwa nisahlulwa ukusichazela uhlanga lomhlabathi. Hey uyasidakelwa wena. Ungazosidakelwa wena. Hayi thina we are royal healers. We can do this. Sichazela uhlanga lomhlabathi. Usichazele ukuthi kuze kuthiwa iyatshala inkosi ngobani. Uze kuthiwa inkosi mayiphila nathi la kwelikaMenzi iphefumula lo siwuphefumulayo mase ithi inkosi iyahamba emakhosini indaba ihamba yodwa sichazele right? all of a sudden we don't know what to say. Iyahamba inkosi emakhosini. What does that mean? And maye emakhosini iyowenzani? Iyohuba namanye amakhosi. What does that mean? We don't know. Kodwa we call ourselves, hi, royal healers, yo. Yakutshela wena, sinamakhosi thina sine. Ini. Kodwa nisahlula uhlanga lomhlabathi. Hlula ukusichazela i-role yaGaza. Ake sishintshe ke sibeke in experimental things or things that happened. Sichazele ngemkhonto yamashinga. Right? We don't know. We're just expecting someone to just tell us. But we claim to be these people. We claim to be these healers none. I was kululanja nokubamba. Lousy thing. It is so simple to catch a person. Ongahambi ngendlela emhlophe. Ongahambi ngendlela yomsamo wakhe. It is very simple to catch you. Because you can't reference umsamo wakho. Listen, they tell you. They don't realize they're doing it. They can't reference it. A simple thing. Njengebizo. Your name. Name tells us. Not just who you are, whatever the case may be. Your spiritual name given by your ancestors to you tells us who you are. Tells us where you come from. Tells us your capabilities. Tells us. It also tells us whether uhamba ngendlela emhlophe noma undoda emnyama. Do you know that? Very easy. A lousy thing njengesibongo. Yini isibongo? Isibongo uhlanga noma uhlanga lokubongela. Indlela yokubongela based on actions. Something someone has done and he was given isibongo sokumbongela. So you call yourself a specific surname. And this specific surname has clan names associated with that surname. But when you are a child from this surname, you claim ukuthi these ancestors are the ones that gave you a specific gift. So when you introduce yourself to us, we don't know you. Asikwazi thina ubani. Ebese uzakithi uyazethula. So you are introducing yourselves to us, telling us who you are. Why the fuck are you not introducing your ancestors? Yini indaba uma uzethula kithi wena ngane yakwasibanibani embethwe usibanibani njengobusho? Yini indaba mawuzethula ungababongeli? Why? Uzositshela ngawe? Uyiphethe wena? Uziphethe? Very simple. See how easy it is to catch you? Just by listening. Stule nje. 1 minute is too much. Because my lose two langithi. Zethule phela mkhulu. Sikwazi thina uvela uqhamuza uzokhuluma la ebaleni. Uzokhuluma esichaweni saba. Ubani wena uzohuba la? Zisho. Zazise. See how simple it is to catch you. Very simple to catch you. Ukuthi wena kahle kahle wena lento nayo khandiwe. Very simple. Ngoba mayihamba ngendlela emhlophe ngobude bendlela. There are specific stages you had to go through, specific things you had to go through, specific achievements you had to go through to get you to where you are. Mina ngiyena wakini, angisoze ngabo wakini. You'll always hear me saying that. You'll always hear me telling you ukubuza emsamo wakho. I'm encouraging you. Kahle kahle ngiyakusiza. Kusiza ngendlela ongazi wayibona. Kusiza ngendlela ongazi wayibona. Ngoba yonke into ehambelana nolwazi lakini ulibuza kini mfethu. Kini. Hayi kamakhelwane. Lento yeyigodi ijule ngendlela ongazi wayibona. The reason why mix and match yenzeka nani abelungu benza ngamabumba fethu when they did that. The bulldozers coming in bensusa Land Distribution Land Act 1911 Land Act implemented forcefully Mzansi. See, forcefully. Go there. Yonke lento, I'm telling you, it's there. Go there. They wrote it, bona. They didn't realize when they were writing this, his story, because it was his story. When they were writing this, his story, they forgot ukuthi thina hlanga lomhlabathi. We believe in storytelling. Ngoba storytelling ihamba nani? Nomoya. Umoya uhamba ubuyele kuphi? Kwelamathongo. Uphinde ukwazi uphinde futhi uthi uze uthunyelwe la kwelikaMenzi. Uhube nezingane eziphilayo kwelikaMenzi. They don't understand that. Ngoba banayo lento. That is why they took things that we were saying basibhale phansi. Kodwa mawuthi usubukisisa kahle lezi zinto ezibhaliwe kuyeshoda, kuyashoda. Because they don't know the other side. They've got no fucking clue. Udaba likamoya. Bathuswa into encane nangu umuntu sikhuluma naye. Sizixoxela kanje abhonga umuntu, hey, abhonga, hey. Hankulu, how did you do that? Why the fuck would you think ukuthi there's something that I have to do that? I don't have to do fuck all. I don't have to do fuck all. Kodwa ngokuhuba nomoya, nawo loya moya mawuhuba nami, ebese bona bajabula ngoba bafuna ukuzethula. Have you ever had the joy? Usuke uhambe ngakini uyohlala kwenye indawo, mhlambe umZulu wena uhambe uyohlala namavenda. Have you ever had that joy? Uthi uhleli lapha namavenda bese kufika umuntu okhuluma ulimi lakho. That joy. Hey, ush, hey madoda. Hey kunini ngikhuluma into engayizwa? Hey kunjani mfowethu? Nani? The joy. It happens unconditionally. It happens. That's exactly what happens. That's how the ancestors see it. Bakufika umuntu okhuluma ulimi esilizwayo. That's why jafika kumuntu who has what you have. Hayi isuke leyo nto. Bhodle nobabili ke manje senilokho nibhodla ubhodlane la. Bhodle into engazi nani. Why? recognition. Those ancestors are realizing or recognizing these ancestors. Ngani? Ngomoya. Not ukuthi kumele ngize ngiqale ngishise hey jamlutho damn it man. Hayi. Ngomoya. Ngomoya. They don't understand that because they believe in tangible things. Intangible things. Tangible fucking things. Joy. Yo. Ya, yakujayela wena. Hayi. Asikhulume nani. Hayi. Bullshit. Ngomoya. Guess what? Ngisho noma uthiwa wakhileke lo muzi wakho. Uwakheke lo muzi wakho ufake nawo no rawundi uzuthi hayi lo rawundi ke hayi umsamo wethu kanjani. Okay. Think. Lo rawundi okhuluma ngawe indlu oyakhile. Futhi uyakhe manje. Thothi siyakhiwe ngani? Hey, osimende, ama blocks nani. Qala kwakhiwa ngani? Ohlanga lomhlabathi. Kwakhiwa nani ngobumba. Wakhiwa nani? Nani. See? Times have changed. Okay, ilungileke. Uyakhileke le ndlu yakho ngaleyo ndlela wayifaka ngisho nelala yonke into ke wamuhla uround yakho wow, nice one, good job. That is in the physical, my friend. Siyayibona enyameni la kwelikaMenzi. Uma ukhuluma nabo labantu bakini, you are using a specific plant and then nibe nina moya munye, nibe right emoyeni nani ebese nihuba nabo. Niyababona kwelikaMenzi? No, you can't see them. But uhuba nabo ngani? Ngomoya. Even if kuthiwa nenza umsebenzi, nayo impahla niyiphethe in the physical kwelikaMenzi. Ebese nihuba nabo ngani? Ngomoya. Okusho ukuthini lapha kwelikaMathongo yini? Ngumoya. So why the fuck ingane yethu uma ikuthiwa ingenwe abantu abadala ngani Nkosi yami? Ngomoya. Ebese kuvungama umoya kuyilengane yethu kwelikaMenzi. Sisi sahleli naye lengane ebese ivukwa yini? Ivukwa ngumoya. So kahle ukujula komsamo wakho yintoni mfowethu? Ngumoya. Wakuphi? Wakini. So mina ngoba ngayena wakini, ngingenaphi kumoya wenu? That is the question you should be asking emsamo wakho. So when I tell you ukuthi ayikho inja yakomunye umuzi ezofika izolawula lapho kumsamo wakho, that should answer you. Ngoba laba thakathi bafike bafuna ukungena bacabanga ukuthi mase beganile la kulomndeni bazokwazi ukungena bazomosha umsamo wala. Yithi ke ngikuhlebele enye into ke. Ungenile ke dadewethu la kulomndeni. Awunalo ilungelo lokushisa impapho la wena. Singayigwegwisi nje, siyibeke nje ngqo. Ngqo. Wena dadewethu kuthathwa inkomo zakuluyamuzi. Look at the spiritual significance of this thing. Before inkomo zakuluyamuzi zifike kini, ziyabikwa lapha kuluyamuzi. Zishiselwe impepho, kwaziwe, kutshelwa abanikazi bekhaya, kutshelwa abaphathi bomsebenzi, kutshelwa abanomzane, kutshelwa abanomzane ngobani? abantu abayihamba lendlela kutshelwa bona hey wemadoda nina enagana nani ngoba sobe sesidla osigqokweni esifanayo you damn shit man sobe sesidla ogqokweni olufanayo nani mangidla nani niyadla damn it how that's a fact yabikwa ebese yahanjwa neyinkomo zala ekhaya whether it is monetary value whether it is the actual cow kuhanje kufikwe lapha before kungenwe kulelo sango the spiritual meaning yokuthi kumenyezwe esangweni uwenzani ukuhuba ngani ngomoya ukuze abantu bakulela senzani siyamemeza ukuze benzeni basabele ngani ngomoya ebese bona mase sekufikile kubona sekusukile lolu singa labo ebese bona ngomoya batshele ingane yabo bona kulelo khaya hamba wena mfana hamba uyobamukela esangweni sesikhuluma ngani ke manje ngesamukelo isimukelo ukwamukela siyangenisa emasangweni ethu ngani ngomoya hayi ukuthi uvela avule nje nani kuze kuthiwa ivula umlomo ngantini bafethu ngoba phela kumele kukhintshwe uhlanga nemuntu uphahla noma yini angala ibekwe bese kuvula umlomo bomani uzobe ehuba ngani umuntu ngomoya ahube hayi ke seningangena ningene neinkomo zenu ebese ke kuba khona imidlalo ke ngaphandle yini sehle emthini oyini bani nani yini imidlalo yonke lento ogoyibogogo yinani yeintombi yonke lento imidlalo leyo yani yokumukela imidlalo yokumukela inhlonipho ebese kuyahlala phansi ke ebese kuyahutshwa kuyaxoxiswana ngani ngomoya that is why ngisho noma senihambile leyo malini noma ke lezo inkomo zenu bese nazo ziyebikwa kuphi kuloyo msamo nawo lo msamo bese uyayithatha ke le mali yenu bayishise lapha bashisa impepho napho bese benzani bahube ngani inkosi yami ngomoya bazisa bani abantu abakuphi abalela ubuthongo kuphi kwelamathongo ngani inkosi yami ngomoya bese leyo ngane yenu ke manje isisekulindeleni yebo uyingane la ekhaya kodwa uselindele ukufa asiyibeke nje ngqo usekulindeleni loyo dade usekulindeleni ke manje that is the purpose kumanje sesiyaqala siyabheka eish lengane ayinayo ingane okay azangazali okay good shot ish thina la ekhaya samenzela umemulo ish cha isana okay samenzela inani bese ke kuyexoxiswana see you see kuyaxoxiswana ngani inkosi yami ngomoya lengane iphathe kahle inkosi yami azange iziyena nani asenze ini nani kuxoxiswane ngomoya kwenziwe izinto ngendlela yakhona why usiko okay usiko ke see these things are done there to help not just lezo ingane nani lemndeni and guess what mase befikile ke laba sithi bazowenzani bazonibesa gifting ceremony banike laba bantu lezi icela ibizo zena angithi ibizo nibizile no sicela lokho sicela inani ngokwesintu ungiyeke lezi zinto zesimanje manje ngokwesintu lapha kulezi ibizo zakho kumele kube khona u3-legged bese-ke ngiyayibona-ke lezi why sihlonipha ogogo mfethu. Ogogo amakhosikazi akulelo khaya kumele kube khona lela bhodo nani ngobani ukudla food security laba bantu banezinto zabo nani banensima yabo nani kodwa it's to help them nokuhlonipha ikhaya lengane iphuma kulona. Nina lengane ensenizoyithatha abazoyibulala bona emsamo wayo bese nina niyayimukela kumsamo wenu njengengane entsha yala ekhaya. Baseniyimukela, that is the reason why kunezinto ekumele zenziwe. Bese niyimukela ngala. Lo yamndeni mawuyigila mkhuba bengafuni ukubuyisa izinto ngala. Vele bebengawufuni umshado. Bebefuna nje ukuzotshontsha umcebo wenu bentshontsha bakhohlwa ukuthi kuhutshwa ngomoya. Lento abayenzayo yicala ekujuleni komsamo wabo ezosala libe yingcapha kubona. That is why eminye imindeni ithi ingane yenu silotsholiwe bese iyambeswa nani bese navuka ubugebengu nina nenze ebese ningaphinde nibone into eyinkanyiso nenkanyizo yomshado ever again ngoba ninecala emsamo. Ningaphinde nibona into eyinjalo ngaphezulu kweimpilo zenu nani ngoba ninecala emsamo. Nadelela umndeni, nadelela omunye umndeni owawungazile ngempi, wawuze ngokuhle kunina. Nina neza ngokudelela. Angiphathi-ke manje nithi nidelela umndeni kanti umndeni ophuma ebukhosini. Anideleli loyo mndeni kuphela, nidelela ubukhosi bonke. Okusho ukuthi kunamanye amakhaya angaphansi kwalowo bukhosi enibadelelayo. Bese niyayibuza, sishaywe yindlovu, shaywe yindlovu. Yinini enizenzile. Uzenzile akakhalelwa. And let me tell you something. These things come with a time frame. And nina manihlulekile ukukhombisa inhlonipho kuloya mndeni. Abanihlonipha bona banenzela yonke into eziyizicelo zenu. Nina nahluleka ukubahlonipha nani. Uyaphela loyo mshado. Uzophela loyo mshado. Singabheja imali. Uzophela loyo mshado ngoba niyabadelela. Niyabadelela. Again, we forget ukuthi kuhutshwa ngomoya. Okusho ukuthini? Ukujula kwani kwalowo msamo yini? Umoya. Njoba wena ungumoya, uyispirit, umoya wena ophila kuleli dokodo lomzimba wakho. Uma sekuyisikhathi sokuthi lo moya uphume kuyidokodo lomzimba wakho, umzimba wenzani? Uyafa. Umoya bese uyahamba la uyakhona ngithi. Lo moya loyo uze emsamo wethu singena kuthina. Lo moya uya emsamo walo mfowethu lo bangena bona. Ubhekana nomlawuli mkhulu. Belawuli bani bempilo yakho? Banikazi bani bomsebenzi wakho? Hayi thina singena kuthina sinandaba. Asinandaba. Asinandaba wamampela futhi. Careful. Lento abantu abadala is very serious. Serious ngendlela emangalisayo. Very serious into abantu abadala. And the moment we come, wena ubuka umuntu ngenyama umdelele. ngithathe kancane ngithanda lo ngamgibela ikhanda siyamnyaza lo hayi angazositshela hayi la lo uzosebenzela thina hayi lo in nina nimbona ngenyama then you forget ukuthi naye unomsamo wakhe naye unabantu bakubo nithi niyamdelela nithi nimenza yonke into kanti uyigugu emsamo wakhe kanti kubo lento ayenzayo yayivela ilindelena and babelinda iminyaka ukuze lengane ikhule ibe lendlela abayifuna ngayo ukuze ihube iculo lakubo bazokushaya mkhulu yeba keke bazokushaya ngeke baze bakuyeke phapha ubukela abantu phansi delela uthi uyambukela phansi umuntu kanti masibuka wena uwena isichaka awucabanga isichaka sobukela wena phansi kodwa isichaka ayincwadile lenje ayincwadile ayazi fakol ngencwadi kodwa ibukela wena phansi Masimba kanyoko akana fakol kodwa ajika bukele wena phansi ufunda kwena kodwa ubuka wena ufunda kwena kodwa ubukela wena phansi. Where's the sense in that? Where? There is no sense. There is no sense. Upapa. Mona. Khalele izinto zabantu. Being monitoring spirits. Monitoring impilo yomuntu. Hayi usenje manje. Kodwa ma uhlulwa ukumonitor your own fucking life. Going around lying about abantu, qamba manga. Hayi umbona nje hayi uyathatha. Nani wazi kahle ukuthi wena omthakathayo kodwa akafi. And you're just trying to tarnish someone's name, tarnish someone's reputation, all in the name yokuthi wena ufuna wena ukuthi wena uzizwe ungcono kunaye ngenxa yokuthi uzama ukumbukela phansi ukumdonsela phansi. Ngeke livumela kubo. Ngeke lize livume. You've got no clue how many generations that family was waiting for that child to do that job. Awazi uyaphapha nje ukubuka nje ukhala umona. You've got no clue. Wena ufuna ukumosha, let's ruin the reputation. Hayi ngeke abantu ngathi bemthanda kakhulu. Hayi asingcolisa igama lakhe, asimkhathe namaphoyisa khona azothiwa isigebengu somuntu, usigebengu senyanga. Na nje akafuna ukondla ingane, kanti akanayo nale ingane unengane eyodwa nawe, kodwa wena ufuna ukondla ingane zenye indoda utakiwe msunu kanyoko. Ngeke iziyenzeke leyo nto. Awukho umsamo uyovuma ukuthi omunye umsamo ubenefit kuona. Never ever in a million years, never ever gonna happen. Uma isebenzela ixoxo nexoxo umazixhumela. Ixoxo nexoxo uma ixhumela. Singena phi thina kuyingane zenye indoda? Fusek. Fuck off. Singena phi? Fuck off. We only worry about what is ours. They must also worry about what is theirs. Asinandaba. We don't give a fuck. Hoy. Thina singamakhosi thina. Hoy. Sichazela phela ngohlanga lomhlabathi. Sichazela. Sifuna ukwazi. kuze kushiwo njalo ingubani. Sichazela, tell us. We want to know. We are very interested in knowing. Habo seshe lapha. Go to the TikTok. Akekho noyedwa ochaza ithuna lenkosi. Why? Hawunamakhosi nje nini? Hamba namakhosi. Sichazela phela ngethuna lenkosi. Hayi ngiyawathanda futhi namathuna ninjalo. Sitshela phela. Ngokutshaleka kwenkosi, itshala ngobani inkosi itshalwa? Why? Because they've never experienced it. They never even thought of it. Because it's all about replication. Hayi nimzwile uthe ukhuluma ngenzuza namhlanje. Hayi nathi sonke sikhuluma ngenzuza. Ukhuluma ngamakhosi. Okay, nathi ngamakhosi. Ugqoka ijazi elinjani? Hayi nathi sigqoka ijazi. Nasho uthi nathi sinalowo moya. Hayi nathi sinje. Replication. Udelela abantu bakini mfethu. Yeke leyo nto. Yeke. Rather shut up. Yeke. Uyabadelela abantu bakini. Strong. Mina nginamsebenzi mina ukuthi into engiyikhulumayo iye ibhlungu kuwena udiniwe nani hambe yofa. I don't care. Ngoba into engiyikhulumayo yakithi eyami. So ukuthi wena kufika kanjani I give 0 fucks. Anginandaba. Ngoba ihubo labani. Wena ungenaphi kwihubo lami? Hayi manje abantu ba fuck off. Hamba obuze emsamo wakho fuck off. See what I mean? Know your story, chief. Awukweleti umuntu lutho. No one owes you answers here. Nobody gives a fuck. Buza emsamo wakho. They give a fuck. Not us. Definitely not me, Baba. I don't give a cat's ass. Agnadaba. Okwamampela futhi. It is your ancestors that need to lead the way for you. Not me. My job is to heal, not to educate you. My job is to heal. Full stop. Full stop. What we heal on what my ancestors tell me. Hayi ukuthi kuze wena uthi hayi ngiphuma lapha kungwabedla uthe nginesunywa manje ngenzeni fuck off naye lo ngwabedla wakho fuck you both of you nijwayela amasimba ngiquza zonyoka nangijwayela how you conclude and then you conclude bese nifuna mina ngiqhamuke nje just ngiyangidakelwa. Come here, we start from the fucking scratch ngendlela yakithi. My people must tell me ukuthi kunje. Hayi wena qhamuka, I don't care, anginandaba. My people will tell me ukuthi nakho la ilele khona. And we will heal it ngendlela yakithi. Hayi ukuthi ubani uthini nani, I don't care, I don't give a fuck, anginandaba. See? Yona inhlanganisela la. Uhambo lakho nabakini. Must know your story, chief. Know your story, chief. Thina sinandaba nestory sakho. It should mean something to you, not to us. To you, hayi to us. Thina sinandaba. Yes, sokubuka silandele sizwe so ish lento ayikhulumayo hayi siyayazi nathi. Hayi uniqinisile umkhulu hayi nani. We get it because we've seen it for ourselves. We've been through that. Kodwa hayi ukuthi lo mkhulu uyasikweleta. Entitlement engaka. Hayi emkhulu ngiphupha ukuthi mina nginandaba ukuthi uphupheni. Ngenapi. So mina my day must stop. Ukuthi wena uphuphe ini bese ngithi ish usibani bani uphupheni. Okay ngalento ayiphupheni iqonda ukuthi fusaki Fuseka kakhulu. Fuseka kakhulu ke mfana. Fuck off. If you want that private attention, uzoyikhanyisela leyo nto. You can't expect me to go and tap into an energy or tap into an entity or entities with my ancestors to get whatever answers just for the fun of it. No, it doesn't work like that. I'm not going to do that, man. You won't do that. But if you ufika kumuntu and you come with that attitude, uyabadelela labantu. Kodwa ufuna bona bakunika impendulo. Uyaphila la ikhanda lakho. Uyaphila. Think about it. Are you sane? That is nonsensical. It's nonsensical. It's nonsense. Nonsense. That's what it is. Oh, mkhulu. Hey, azimkhulu kuyabheda. Oh, kuyabheda. Okay, linda ke mfethu bakukhansela bakini. Ngoba phela what you telling me was okay, hayi kuyabheda nje mkhulu kuyabheda kodwa manje ngifuna ukuthi ngiyenze yonke into nani. Hey mina ungangidakelwa mina. Ungangidakelwa. Just straight. You won't tell me ukuthi kuyabheda. Abakithi kumele bangitshele ukuthi kuyabheda. Hayi wena. Abakithi ekumele bangitshele. Yo Nkosi yami lengane hawu Jehova, lengane hawu. Lengane mntanami kuloya muzi kunje nje. Hawu mntanami lengane ibhekene nenkinga enje. Hawu kunjani nje. Abakithi ekumele bangitshele lokho. Hayi wena. That is why, even if listen carefully, how many shows have I posted? How many things, interactions have I posted? Listen. You've turned me off. You've turned me off. I'm turned off. Usukhuluma wedwa nje. Yebo, okay. Jikjele umsamo wakho emva kwalokho. Hamba ubuze umsamo wakho. Because you are not the one that's supposed to tell me ukuthi kuyabheda. Abakithi emele bangitshele. Ukuthi cha. Hayi. See what I mean? But because sizitshela ukuthi sihlakaniphile, sitshela ukuthi siyazi, sitshela ukuthi nje hayi, this is a game ukuthi ubani ose kakhulu kunomunye in nani. Hayi baba, mina ngingeni leyo nto. And I don't care who the fuck you are. I don't care who the fuck you think you are. Nani, abakithi abazongitshela. Not you. They must tell me what's happening. They must tell me. Lolu hambo siqale nabo. Abakithi, you were not there. You can come and tell me, why ungafa? Ngikubone lokho. That is disrespect on the highest level. Hayi manje mkhulu. Nani hayi bafu. Doesn't work like that. No one owes you answers. Izinto ofisa ukuzazi zibuze emsamo wakho. Bawungenawo umsamo buza kuleso sigubhu sakho sithathele uJamludo. Mangenayo impendulo buza kulabo athatha khona uJamludo. Injalo le ndaba. Hayi ukuthi naphana wenzayo fuqamba manga because these people are seeking information. Listen to the questions. Why do you think I post the interactions? I post the interactions so that you can see ulalele nawe ubone ukuthi abantu banjani. I'm fucking helping you. I'm helping you. So uzobona ukuthi kahle abantu bayitshelisa bayigelemi yas. Azi abantu kahle babona ukuthi okunye. It's so that you can fucking see it. Not me. Mina ami indaba kade ngazi mina 195. Think. Wake up. It's not about udumo. We don't give a fuck about that. Angiduma ezizweni mina. Ngazi ongidakelwa mina. Angiduma nje mina ezizweni. Fusak. Anginaso nje leso sikhathi. Fuck you. Yonke into siyenzayo siyihuba ngomoya. Ngomoya. See what I mean? Gradually, you'll start to see. Ask your ancestors. Ngeke bakulahle. All right, I need to bounce now. This champion is here. Dango, niphile njalo, yes.